Hey everyone, in this video I will teach you how to create Python virtual environments on Windows 11. But firstly, what is a virtual environment? A Python virtual environment is basically an isolated little box of our Python interpreter, libraries, and scripts. So it essentially allows us to isolate a Python project. But why would you want this? Well, there are many reasons this could be appealing to you, such as having different projects you're working on using different versions of Python or different libraries. The first thing we're going to do is double check that you have Python installed on your PC. So, to check this, let's open up our PC's command prompt through our search feature here on the taskbar. Then, let's type python -- version. This will tell you whether you have Python installed or not. If you do not see a Python version here, then you should check the link in the top right hand corner of your screen now or in the description down below to download Python on Windows 11. So, now that we have validated that we have a version of Python, how do we go about creating a Python virtual environment on Windows 11? Well, first let's decide where we want to store our virtual environment. I'm just going to save it on the desktop for simplicity. So, let's open our File Explorer and I'll right click on my desktop and copy as path. Now back in the command prompt, I'll type cd and right-click to paste our copied directory link. Then, by hitting enter, you can see that we are now located in our desktop's directory, which is where I want to create my virtual environment. Now, to create our virtual environment, we are going to type python -m venv in the name of your virtual environment. I will call it study session. So, in plain English, this is saying let's make a Python virtual environment called study session. Now, within our command prompt, we can type dir, which stands for directories, and our prompt will list all available subdirectories of our current directory. And as you can see, our newly created virtual environment, study session, is present here. So, to enter this, let's type cd stu and tab, and that'll autofill and click enter. This is just to quickly enter study session. Now, we are inside our virtual environment folder. To activate it, let's type scripts /activate with a capital S on scripts. And by hitting enter, you can see that we're now inside our virtual environment because of these parentheses around our environment's name here on the left. Lastly, if you wish to leave the virtual environment, you can simply type deactivate. I hope that this video helped your understanding of how to create and enter a virtual environment on Windows 11. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and consider checking out our YouTube memberships by clicking that join button down below. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.